access to resources were very limited during lockdown. So in this video I'll show you 3 simple projects you can make using scrap metal and basic tools. Enjoy! I started by scribing a 16mm line on a piece of 16mm square bar. Then I cut it off. If you don't have a metal chop saw, an angle grinder will work just fine. Next, I knocked off all of the sides before marking out where the numbers will be. Just remember that the opposite numbers must equal 7. I went over the marks with a center punch before going over them again with a hot punch. And after a quick wire brush, the first project is done. For the second project, I tapered the top 2 to 3 centimeters of some 8mm square bar. Then I bent the tip of that taper into a little hook and the rest of the taper in the other direction. I measured 10 centimeters from the top and cut it off. I tapered the other end. And bent it in the same direction as the head. I twisted this square section and bent the rest of the taper in the other direction. I gave it all a brush and a light coat of beeswax, et voila. For the final project, I started by annealing a piece of copper pipe by heating it up and then rapidly cooling it in some water. Then I flattened the pipe using a rubber mallet. I cut off 12 centimeters and used a file to file one side. Once I saw that I had filed through the bend, I reopened the pipe, turning it into a sheet. Then I marked 7mm on either side before putting it in a vise and bending the two sides in. After deburring the ends, I bent the top 5 centimeters over. And lastly, I gave the sides a hammered finish and a polish.